In this video, we are going to be analysing Blue Apron, ticker APRN. If you want your own stock analysed, throw it in the comments, we'll get around to it when we can. Now, why are we analysing it? Because it is up 25% on the day. Now, why is this? So you can see here, Blue Apron is to sell operations. But what's key is this is a non-binding letter of intent. So again, we're getting the reaction on the intention. Again, the rumour, that's usually what does the move. Even if this gets confirmed, we will probably start selling off on this news. And if it gets rejected or they don't go through with it, it's definitely going to get hit to the downside. So again, this is a rumour. Potentially on the day, you could probably be looking to play that trend. But again, don't forget when this gets announced, whether it's confirmed or not, whether it goes through or not, we will most likely get hit on that news. So this bounce is more likely to be temporary. But if for any reason it's not, again, we will put up the standard deviation channels, pay attention to those key levels. So if we could push all the way to $1.20 or $1.80, these are key short bias levels. But again, really big move from where we are now. Even from this 50 cent we're currently at now, or 57 cents, still requires a 120% move. And going from about yesterday's level, obviously that requires it to be up about 165. So probably won't happen all that soon, even if it does, but those are the two key levels I'll be paying attention to. But again, if we don't hit those, we can potentially play it on a shorter term time frame. That's going on to a 30-day chart. You can see most likely coming into this 60-cent level, bit of a psychological level, but really it's going to be more key because it's our second deviation on that 30-day chart. So if we come into here again, potentially looking to play that short bias, and if we go higher, we have the 67 and the 75 cent level. The 75 cents actually I would really like because it matched up with a key psychological level. So if we did get a push all that way, probably be a relatively easy short bias trade. But again, considering where we are now, that is still a massive increase in price. So the main focus for today would really be this 60 cent. If we can push up to there, again, just another few cents we have to go now, or about another, well, I can't actually say, I think that's 1 cent. Yeah, about another cent or two, we might actually hit it now. This is a potential short bias level, but again, this is more just looking at literally today only. If we're looking at those longer term moves, really paying attention to then the 67 and the 75 cent levels. Again, those we would probably be paying attention to this week. And then if we can push to that 120 or the 180, those are really the key levels I'm paying attention to, and really the only levels I would be trading myself. But if we can get those, again, we don't have to hit those anytime soon. They could probably be hit in about 2-3 weeks from now. These levels will still be valid. So that's what I'd be paying attention to if we can hit there. And we can actually now hit, we have just hit our second deviation on the 30-day. So again, we're going to end the recording here, but you'll be able to see how this plays out. And if we start to finally pull back off of this level, if we do continue 67 as that next level, 75 as that one after, looks like we're actually getting a quick temporary pullback. But again, this could be the overall reversal level on the day. But again, be a bit more cautious because we're not hitting a divergence. Usually if I'm going in with big size, I prefer divergence as well. But again, we can see relatively good pullback already off that level. So do be paying attention to those upper two. And again, the main one, the strongest one, is going to be that 120 if we can push up to that kind of level. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe. If you want your own stock analysed again, throw that in the comments. And why don't you check out this analysis video.